Hi TTC, my name is Antoine Conca, a second year student specialized in software engineering. Okay, in 2024, I have the chance to join SES where I start a software engineering skills. Okay, when I came to SES, one of the club that caught my attention was TTC, Tech Campus Club. At Tech Campus Club, that's not just a club where I go just for fun. It's the club that make me believe that everything's possible just by working and is a challenging and speak with people in your domain that have more experience than you, that teach you the skills and all the tools they use to be more productive and eh, more more professional in his domain. Okay, by participating to all webinar and all the event that TTC are amazing, every time I'm feeling free and I feel like I gain something every time when the events are finished. I feel I gain something new in my skill. Okay, and just by making all this information and this event accessible to all the person, I want to become a TCC lead. Okay, by becoming TCC lead, I want to make digital tools accessible to all the person who are passionate by digital or a person who are making their first who are making the first step in the digital domain. Okay, I want to everybody who are afraid or just passionate like me to become best and interact with people who have experience in this domain. Okay. To end in this video, I have two words to say. First of all, be attentive, and the second, be good listener. Because be good listener, that means to be accept all the remark that person give me, and be attentive is to see all people feed and feedback about all the event that we made and to make more and more good experience that make people just be passionate about that. Okay, thank you for thank you for to the thank you to give your attention to my video. Thank you.